This is going to be a quick demo of the AKKTOL, I suppose you pronounce that, AKKTOL, 1/4 inch heavy duty hand riveter kit, BT-811, available on Amazon. The kit comes with a pretty good set of instructions, and it allows you to have rivets from anywhere from 3/32 all the way up to 1/4 inch. They've got them labeled in metric, but in the manual they give you the English and metric units. The tool itself is pretty well built, I think. It looks very sturdy. It has 5 different attachments for the 5 different rivets that they give you. And I'm going to give you a little quick demo of the 1/8 inch rivet, and I'll set it up on the tripod so you can see how it goes in. I've already pre-drilled a hole in a couple of pieces of scrap, 1/8 inch in diameter. Notice that there's also a little container for the spent rivets. Okay, so to use the tool, you simply put the long part of the rivet into the gun, let it slide in, open it up so it catches. Then you simply put the rivet into the hole and squeeze together, and it'll snap right off. And there it is, very sturdy. You can slide it a little bit, obviously, but from holding it together, does a very nice job.